With the high costs today, it's a necessity for many families to have two incomes. If you're in such a situation, you might want to consider the possibility of being a work-at-home parent. The decision to work from home may come swiftly for you once you see how much it costs you to hold your present job. So you have a $25,000 to $50,000 a year salary, but, after expenses, how much do you have left in spendable income? Sit down and figure out how much it costs you for gasoline, car repairs, added car insurance, work clothes and accessories, childcare, fast food dinners, and any other work-related expense. Now if you were to work at home and make the same yearly salary, the amount you just added up as expenses in your present job, could be added as spendable income for your family. You could actually improve your family lifestyle with a work-at-home career. Not only would have additional money to spend on what's really important, your family, but also have more time as you wouldn't have that daily commute. There is a way to become independent, and that is to earn money online. There are millions of people doing just that each and every day. With the numerous affiliate programs offered, it's never been easier for new entrepreneurs to take the plunge and start their own home business. With affiliate marketing, you can be a part of a multi-million-dollar company and advertise their product from the comfort of your own home. There's tons of information at your fingertips right now that could enable you to work from home. If you start out small at a minimal cost and slowly build your business, you may find that special niche that will afford you to someday quit your day job. I'm sure your family will thank you in the end. To learn more, click the link below.